with YouTube, there are many people who create businesses and they sell products. They sell info products. I do this on my other channel, which is called SmartyRBX. This is truly one of the best opportunities that there is right now. If you make info products, you can provide value to people on a mass scale, and you can also earn a lot. There are many people doing this. There is Hamza doing this. Hamza's very successful. He's a self-improvement YouTuber with over 2 million subscribers. He sells Adonis School, which is a community on the website School, which is basically a private forum, but better. And he's making hundreds of thousands of dollars a month. This is an example of how far that you can take YouTube education businesses. If you can create a loyal following, provide a lot of value, and then create a great product and market it well, you can really build quite a successful business. I have had months on my channel, SmartyRBX, where we've made $4,000 a month. And I don't think this is that great, but for many it is. I think I'd like to do more right now. I'm not as high up as I should be. I think I got to do better. Now, let's discuss where a lot of these frameworks, these online marketing frameworks come from, and where I got them, where Hamza started, where all kinds of online entrepreneurs on YouTube got started. So this book right here is .com Secrets. This is a book by Russell Brunson. Russell Brunson is an entrepreneur. He's a millionaire entrepreneur. And not only that, he is a revolutionary entrepreneur who brought concepts to the table that are so amazing that I cannot believe that people went without these. I seriously sit there wondering, how in the world did business work without these concepts? Literally. Because they're so useful, they're so essential, that I feel if you didn't have these, it would be incredibly hard for you to make an online business on your own. Incredibly hard, almost impossible. If you pick up this book, I guarantee that you will learn a lot. It truly was a paradigm shift for me when I read it the first time, and I think it will be for you as well. So we're going to break down some of the essential concepts in this book and how you can implement them now to grow a business on your channel and to improve your channel and to just improve as a person too, because learning these types of things is gonna improve you. Even just knowing these concepts, you're gonna improve. The first one that is very essential to understand is hook, story, and offer. So Russell gives us a framework that we can use for content, copy, writing, which is basically sales writing, selling with text, getting people to take action with text. That's copywriting. And this is also a format you can use for videos. This is hook, story, offer. So you start with a hook, you bring people into whatever ad, content piece, or piece of copy it is that you are presenting to them. And then you give them a story. And a story can be a single image or a single sentence. A story doesn't have to be this long thing. Everyone thinks that a story has to be, oh, I got to type a whole long thing. No, a story can be conveyed in an instant. It can be conveyed in an ad in 1 second. You don't need to have a long thing, a long, crazy, intense, extreme thing to have a good story. And then finally, the offer. The offer is whatever you're offering them. That could be a course, that could be a book, that could be a video, but that is your offer. So you start with a hook, you give them a story, and then you give them the offer that you want them to take action on. And when you understand this formula and apply it, you can massively improve your copy, your content, your marketing, everything. Very essential. And it also gives you a format to make better videos. In a way, I did this in this video. I gave you a hook, talked about how this is so essential, these concepts. I gave you a story on how they helped Hamza and how they helped me. And then I gave you the offer, which is the video here. Essential concept. Second, so the next thing is the value ladder. Dude, this is amazing. This is when I say that I don't understand how people went without these concepts, this is what I mean. The value ladder is essentially a concept that means that when we give people a product or an opportunity, we can ascend them to higher opportunities later that give them more value as we go. And they cost more too. So we earn more as they go as well. And the value ladder is just this staircase upward in value opportunities. So you might have on the lowest level of your value ladder, free content. These are the videos on your channel, the community posts, the posts on X that you make, your tweets. These are the free content that people can get publicly on social media platforms. Then, next up on the ladder might be lead magnets. Things that you can get for free that are basically designed to get people up to the first step of taking action on your channel or taking action on your content or your page and getting them to buy in more and get in your email list or whatever marketing method you're going to use. And then once you have them in your email list, after getting a lead magnet, they type in their email, they get a free little thing like a little ebook or something like that, get some free value. Once they type in their email address and get that thing, now you can market to them the higher value opportunities. So the next thing would be the thing that you want to sell them first. So you would be able to sell them on, say, your community. You could have a private community or a course, and you could sell them on that. And say this is $49. Well, now if they buy this, they've ascended up another step on the value ladder. This is a really, really essential concept and an essential model for you to implement on your channel. And it's really helpful in a lot of ways. My value ladder on my channel goes from free content, starts at probably some commentaries or some posts, community posts. And then I have people go up to the scripting cheat sheet, which gives them some essential concepts in Roblox scripting, coding, programming, whatever you want to call it. And then they're taken to Scripting Secrets, which is our course on scripting and game development. And from there, they can buy that. And that is essentially my primary value ladder right now on Smarty RBX. It makes a good amount. It varies. Obviously, we're on a down point right now. I'm gonna be honest about that. And I'm improving all the time. People were trying to comment before on this channel that they were kind of annoyed that I have 200 subs right now on this new channel. And they were annoyed that I'm making videos teaching people about content creation. And they were annoyed about it. And then I click on their channel and they have 0 subscribers. It's like, bro, at least I have 200 subs. You can learn something from me at least. And I also have 75K subs, but they don't realize that. So, I mean, is what it is. But I'm not trying to claim that I'm the all-knowing expert of everything. I don't know everything. I'm learning, I'm improving, I'm growing as well. And I'm not the complete expert. I will never claim to be the complete expert on everything that I talk about anywhere, whether it's here or on Smarty RBX. So next concept, funnels. This is essential as well. What's a sales funnel? A sales funnel is essentially where you have the high level, people can come into the funnel. This could be through free content. This could be through videos, tweets, newsletter, all that stuff. This is the top of your funnel. Anyone can enter there. Anyone can enter your top of funnel through free content. Then you descend them down through the funnel into different opportunities that are higher value typically. It's very similar to the value ladder, but it's different because this is your entire sales funnel. And this can include the specific product. So you could have a sales funnel that goes from free content, lead magnet, course. And that's it. That's your sales funnel. And when you make a sales funnel, you will be able to take a bunch of traffic, millions of views, tens of thousands of views, hundreds of thousands of views, however much you have, and then take them down the funnel and be able to earn and provide them more value as they go down the funnel. The thing is, if you don't have a funnel, you're going to be missing out on a ton of income and also a ton of opportunities to provide more value to your audience. So when you create a sales funnel, you are expanding opportunities for yourself and your audience. And once you make one, you're going to change everything for you and the people who you serve with your content, your products, everything that you do. And it's really helped me, and it's helped my fans in a lot of ways to make a sales funnel. And I plan on making some on this channel. I plan on getting that going, and it's going to be amazing. So these few concepts, hook, story, offer, the value ladder, and the sales funnels, are just a few main concepts that can change everything for you in your content and in your YouTube channel or in your Twitter page or any kind of content creation you do anywhere. These will change everything for you. And once you implement them, it is going to be amazing. I cannot explain how much it's changed everything for me. Even just knowing these concepts, even just looking at this book, even just taking a quick look inside .com secrets really did change everything for me. Like, really, I remember reading this book. I was like, wow. Dude, how do people go without this stuff? I was like, wow, this is how you earn an income online. Sharing your skills, sharing your knowledge, teaching people, and then being able to earn from that. It is amazing the time that we live in, and you really should take advantage of it. And if you know something, you can turn that into an income. You can turn that into a stream of value. As Dan Koh says, Dan Koh is a major YouTuber, major content creator, major person who speaks about the opportunity in the creator economy. You have $100,000 stuck in your head. You have $100,000 stuck in your head. If you know anything, if you're a person who has skills, you have $100,000 stuck in your head. Turn that into a sales funnel, turn that into content, turn that into a value ladder, ascend people up, and make opportunities for yourself and others. Change everything for yourself. Also, you can get this book below. It's awesome. It is an affiliate link, so it's a win-win. I earn a bit, and you get an awesome book, and you get to get started implementing .com secrets on your channel. Now, I'm not holding any secrets back, though, here on Remy Mindset. So subscribe below. Just start. If you haven't started making content yet, just start. If you haven't started any of these things, just start. It's the best thing you can do. And you can click here now to learn more about Just Start and why I say this all the time. It's going to be awesome. See you in the next video.